So open up Canva. The first thing that you'll do is click the Elements tab, and if you want to add a frame, doesn't matter if it's a circular frame or iPhone, laptop frame, search up frame in the search bar, and you can put an iPhone there, laptop, and this is where you'll put the images into. So you can make it smaller. If you're making a flyer or like an Etsy template, you can use this here as well. So after you have all the frames that you want, you can put the uploads in there. So you can do pictures of your products, pictures of a flyer, however you want to do it, you can put it in there. And it's pretty much a drag and drop experience. So once you drag the image to the frame, it will automatically populate into the frame. So you would double click it to move it around or crop it, and then that's how you'd be able to edit that image. You can edit it the same way, as long as you just click it, and then you can press edit image or crop it, drag it around to make sure it's what you want to see in that frame.